In this video, we will look at the SMMS Case Management module. The Case Management module is where you will update information for students so DESE OSE can select folders for monitoring review. To open the module, click on View. If the district has both a school age and an early childhood program, select one of the groups at the upper left-hand portion of the screen to access the case management list. If you have only one program, you will not need to make a selection. You will see the list of students who were on the previous year's December 1 count. On the right-hand side of the screen, above the data table, you will see a Show Entries button. This can be set to increase or decrease the number of records visible on the screen. It must be reset each time you return to the screen. You will see buttons on the far right side of the screen that enable you to access a student record. If you cannot see these buttons, reduce the zoom level on your screen until you can see them. The button with the eye enables you to view a student record. The button with the pencil enables you to edit a record. The button with the trash can enables a record to be deleted and is for DESE use only. You can sort the list using arrows on each column next to the header. To edit a student record, click on the green pencil. You are now viewing the case detail page. If the child is no longer receiving special education services in your district, select the correct exit code on the bottom row. There is a drop-down of options, so you will pick the one that's appropriate for that student if they are no longer in the district. This data is used to help SEAs select folders for selecting current students. The last row on the case detail page contains items to be checked if they apply to the student. For example, if a student has specialized transportation, you will click that button. If a student has a shortened school day, you will click the SSD button. The review box is for SEA use only. We check this box to indicate the folder has been selected for monitoring review. Once you have edited and updated the student record, click Save. The system shows a bar across the top of the screen to indicate the record has been saved. You may click Back to List to return to the main case management list. Repeat the process demonstrated for each student who needs to have information updated in their case detail. Once you have updated student information, you will notify your SEA that the case management list is ready for folder selection. The SEA will select folders for review. Selected folders are highlighted in yellow on the case management screen. These folders also have an SFC button added to the list of buttons on the right. If you have questions about the selections, please contact your SEA. Also, when you are in the module, there's a navigation menu on the left side. You can go to another module or use it to return to the dashboard. Thank you for watching. Please contact the Monitoring and Program Effectiveness team if you have questions.